The RBM2500 PRO Welder impresses with its advanced soft start technology, which ensures smooth and safe power ramp-up, significantly reducing inrush current. This versatile 8-in-1 welding machine can handle a variety of materials and welding processes, making it an ideal choice for both amateur and professional welders. Included in the package is a TIG torch with a generous 13-foot cable providing ample reach for various welding tasks. The complete welding kit comes with essential accessories such as MIG and TIG torches, a ground clamp, and a selection of conductive nozzles, ensuring you have everything needed to get started. The welder is equipped with multiple wire feed wheels, including V-groove and U-groove rollers, catering to different welding wire sizes and needs. With both synergic and manual MIG settings, the RBM2500 PRO offers flexibility for users to either rely on automatic settings or fine-tune parameters to match their personal welding techniques.